Hi everyone, I have a quick haul from the Christmas tree shop, and then I have some fabrics that I'm going to show you that I'm going to make those zippered bags with. So let me just show you what I've got here. I saw these really cute vinyl clings there. They look like little quilted bunnies, and I don't know, they have some sparkly glitter on the side. They were really cute, and they were only $1 at the Christmas tree shop. So I got that, and then I really like vintage like Easter readings and things, so they had these really cute, let me put this up here, vintage clings, and they had different styles of them. They were $1, so this is, you know, very vintagey. They've got a little bit of, they have a little bit of glitter embellishments on them. Very, very cute. And then I got this one, which is different than the one I just showed you. And then I got this one, which is also different. Those were $1 each. And then I got these, this kind of looked a little bit, some of them looked a little vintage to me, like this one, you know, I don't know, kind of just probably not, you know, very vintage looking, but just something about like this one appealed to me. I like the colors, so this was another one that was $1. And then I got this floral tablecloth. It's fabric, not vinyl, and it was only $7.99. They have a great selection of like Waverly tablecloths, Waverly fabrics. This was a 60 by 102 for $7.99. That's a tremendous deal for a tablecloth like that. So I got that for spring. And then for those bags, which I'm going to try to get started today, you know, I've been looking at placemats. They had a lot of nice quilted Waverly placemats for $2.99. I didn't pick those up because I'm going to try it with these first and the quilted ones that I already have before I buy any more. I bought a few yesterday, but they were really good prices. They were $1.69, and so this, it's the same pattern on both, so whatever bag that I make will have it inside, but that doesn't bother me. It's a very nice fabric. It's a very nice weight. They even had like they had a really good deal on like square ones, but I figured those could be put together to make a tote bag, but I didn't buy them yet until I figure out definitely for sure what I can do with them. But I'm going to make the bags and show you the tutorial on this. So I got that one that was $1.69, and then there was this, there was only one of these, kind of a chambray denim look with, looks like it has, you know, white embroidery. I thought that would make a nice bag, so I picked that one up, $1.69. And then I picked up these, which I think will work out really well. These were $1.69 too. Now these were a tapestry, really nice floral tapestry. These would make good tote bags too. And inside they're lined with like this like satin burgundy, and they were $1.69. So I picked up 3 of those. And then I liked this design. Look similar somewhat to a Pioneer Woman one or the Better Homes and Gardens one that's at Walmart. These were $1.69, and it's a really nice stiff like heavyweight fabric that I think will make a good bag. And so I got 2 of those, and then I got one of these. This matches my tablecloth, but there, I got one of those. I had another one there, so that's enough because I'm ahead of myself. I've got all those other ones, and I've got to get sewing them and see how it works out. So I'm going to start that today. We have a kind of a snow day today, so that was that. And then let's see, along with the vintage Easter, I got this. They had a few different styles. Normally I would get like all 3, but I controlled myself and got just one. Happy Easter, and this was $1.99. Has a little hanging bracket if you want, but I'll probably just sit that somewhere. And then let's see, I got these Peeps cupcake liners. There's 50 for $1. Let me get these out. Okay, and then, okay, so got these nonpareils for my Easter baking. Like I said, I'm replacing everything in my kitchen. These were $1.99, pastels, nice big bottle of them. And I got these, which I thought were really pretty. They are mason jars, but they have really nice detail on them. And they're soap dispensers. So I got those because, you know, like my dish soap and things on the counter, if I'd rather put it in there so it looks nicer, or hand soap. And I have 2 sinks in my kitchen, so I picked up 2 for now. Probably could do 2 at each sink, but I'm going to see how these work out. So I got 2 of those. Thought those will work out nice. And these were only $2.99, and the colors are perfect. So I picked those up because I'm going to be having a photo shoot in the kitchen. So I wanted to have something looking nice. And let's see. I could not resist these. I tried very hard to resist them. I couldn't. These bunnies, and I saw some lady walking out with the exact same ones. They are so cute. This is, hold on a minute. This is the male. His ears, they have, you know, a wire in them so you can bend them any way you want. And he's weighted with beans here on the bottom. And so you can sit him on a shelf and have his feet dangle off, or however. He's got a cute little straw hat on, this little vest, bow tie. And then the girl is just so cute. She's got this, they had a couple of different styles of girls. One girl had like a plaid skirt, but this is like a knitted skirt. It is so cute. And super soft. It has suspenders in the back. And then it has this eyelet lace as a collar and sleeves for the little blouse. And she has the same little knit, like on the top of her little boots here, and buttons, just really cute. Whiskers, and her ears bend too, and they were only $6.99. Like I said, I tried to resist, but then I said okay. Hold on a second, but I figure out I'm going to probably put them in some type of a little chair or stool with that. I'm not sure yet, but I couldn't resist them, and I knew that they would probably be gone because I don't get to that store much, so I did pick them up. And that is that. Now I just have a really quick little tiny little Walmart clearance, so I'm just going to add it to here because it's just a couple of things. And these are really nice too for Easter baskets if you can find them. These were $1. So these are the Disney Princess shoes, the Ariel. They have a tiny little heel. They probably fit sizes 6, 7 in toddlers, or they were $1. So they had Elsa. Those were Ariel that I just showed you, and then they have. I think this is Aurora, right? No, Rapunzel. Rapunzel. Okay, so those were $1. I got those, and then there was one other strap Mary Janes, which I love these kind. These were an unmarked clearance of $1. I just scanned them, they came up $1. So very, very cute. But anyway, that's all I have on unmarked clearance with Kmart, excuse me, Walmart. So that's it, and that's my Christmas tree shop. I am going to try to get some of these sewn, as well as a pillowcase dress tutorial I want to get up on my channel, and I have to load my how to color the marshmallow fondant. So if you haven't checked out how to make the marshmallow fondant, you might want to do that now, and I will try to get that video up later today. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, and share. We'd like to get to 1,000 subscribers, and we need your support. So appreciate you watching. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.